If you run a business or work for a business, any business, you wear a lot of hats. And every so often, one of those hats might be the management of your company's real estate needs. After all, your company has to be located somewhere. And there could be a lot of reasons you might be looking for real estate. Maybe your company is growing and you need to find a bigger space. Or maybe you're expanding and you need more locations. Maybe you need to find a better location with better visibility or foot traffic. Maybe your current space needs a lot of maintenance or updating. Maybe your lease is about to expire and you want to explore your options. Or maybe you need to sublease some or all of your existing space. Whatever the reason, dealing with real estate matters can feel like quite a confusing and stressful undertaking. After all, you're good at what you do, and you need to focus on your job. Nobody should be expecting you to become a real estate expert all of a sudden. So, who do you go to for help? You could go to your landlord, but your landlord has his or her best interest in mind, not yours. They're going to do everything they can to keep you where they are or to put you in another one of their properties. They're going to do everything they can to prevent you from moving because they don't want to have an expensive vacancy on their hands. And they're going to do all they can not to spend any money to upgrade their site to meet your needs. Basically, they're going to put their needs and profits ahead of yours. You could go to a commercial real estate broker, but they're not going to have your best interest completely in mind either. Because in addition to representing you, they represent a lot of landlords they have contracts with. They're going to focus on getting you into one of their clients' properties, regardless if it's the right fit or the best price. They're not going to show you the whole picture of the local real estate marketplace. Wow, it sounds like everybody out there is just totally out for themselves. Isn't there someone who had your best real estate interests in mind? Fortunately, there is. To find the ideal real estate solution that meets your needs, is the best location, at the best price, and is best suited to your type of business, you should work with a dedicated tenant representative like iOptimize Realty. Why? Because iOptimize Realty represents you, the tenant, and nobody else. We're not a landlord trying to keep our own properties occupied and our own pockets full. And we're not a typical real estate agent looking to double dip. A tenant representative works on your behalf. At iOptimize Realty, we give you the whole real estate picture, showing you every property that could be a good fit, regardless of who owns it. In fact, a tenant representative typically shows you 3 times as many properties as a typical real estate agent. We'll show you properties that have what you need, rather than just trying to stick you in one of the buildings owned by landlords we work with. And we'll represent you, so you have the same negotiating power as your landlord has. We'll negotiate the best lease terms, and we'll fight to make sure you have the amenities and levels of maintenance you need. And we'll draw up the proposals and help manage the leasing process. So when you close the deal, you know you got the best deal possible because you had a specialist in your corner looking out for you and you alone. And do you want to know the best thing about iOptimize Realty? We don't charge you a thing, because our fees are taken care of by the landlord. That's right, we work for you, ensuring your business gets what it needs from a rental property at the best price possible. That's right, we work for you, ensuring your business gets what it needs from a rental property at the best price possible. And our service is free of charge to you, and we can save you 90% of your time for this process. Enlisting the help of a tenant representative like iOptimize Realty really is the best way to take care of your company's real estate needs without having to turn into a real estate specialist yourself. We'll help you do a great job of managing your company's real estate while still giving you plenty of time to be great at your real, everyday job duties. So, how do you get started with your company's real estate? iOptimize Realty is here to help. Visit iOptimizerealty.com today to get started.